Introducing ballistic cycles, where motorcycles are crafted with some of the most eye-catching designs you'll ever see. These bikes are truly hard to miss, and both models on display are custom-made, built by talented experts at Ballistic Cycles in America. First up is the Turbo Hubless Chopper, featuring a classic, straightforward design. But the real star is the second model from the new 2020 generation. This incredible bike comes with an electric motor and a fantastic range of 240 kilometers. It can go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.5 seconds, reaching a top speed of 200 kilometers per hour. Let's dive into the Bandit 9 Supermarine, an incredible vehicle that's hard to classify. This amazing amphibious machine is like a mix between a car and a boat. Imagine a high-performance SUV that can transform into a speedboat. The Bandit 9 can easily cruise down the highway and then glide into the water, making it perfect for adventures on both land and sea. With its powerful engine and flexible design, the Bandit 9 offers the excitement of driving on roads and the freedom of sailing on water. Whether you're exploring hidden coves, enjoying a scenic coastal drive, or just seeking a unique way to travel, the Bandit 9 Supermarine is the ultimate choice. When Nolan's first Batman movie hit theaters, fans went crazy for the cool new gadgets, and custom bike builders took notice. One of the most eye-catching tributes to Batman's tech is this custom Batpod motorcycle. It looks straight out of Gotham, featuring huge 18-inch disc brakes and impressively wide 36-centimeter tires for that fierce look. With a custom-built transmission and even imitation weapons, this bike is designed to make any Batman fan feel like the Dark Knight himself. But all that custom detail doesn't come cheap. This Batpod replica costs a whopping $75,000. It's definitely a collector's item for those who want to ride in Batman's style, and it comes with a price tag only Bruce Wayne himself would shrug off. So, if you're dreaming of taking on the streets like Batman, prepare for an investment, but you'll be getting a ride that's a true tribute to the superhero legend. Meet the Blade, an electric bike by Rude Cycles that's as powerful as it is stylish. This bike isn't just a ride, it's a unique creation that shows Rude Cycles can do more than build fast sports cars. The Blade is designed from scratch and features a strong engine, allowing you to perform thrilling burnouts, spinning the wheels while staying in one spot. With its sleek frame, shiny chrome details, and stunning graphics, the Blade looks more like a cool motorcycle than a regular bike. It can easily carry 2 riders, making it perfect for sharing adventures. The comfy leather saddle and high-tech electronic gear shift system ensure a smooth ride every time. One of the standout features is the handmade pedals shaped like the Rude Cycles logo, which adds a personal touch. The bike's stylish wheels come with 29-inch tires in the front and 26-inch in the back, giving it an impressive look and performance. Whether you're cruising through the city or just enjoying a leisurely ride. Introducing the BMW Motorrad Vision, a motorcycle that takes the riding experience to a whole new level by merging excitement with smart technology. This bike isn't just a mode of transport, it's a sneak peek into the future of motorcycling. Picture a motorcycle that adapts to your needs, environment, and riding style, giving you the ultimate freedom on 2 wheels. The BMW Motorrad Vision Next 100 has a striking black triangle frame, beautifully highlighted by the classic blue and white logo. Its design is sleek and modern, featuring no traditional joints or cables for a clean look. Steering is effortless, simply lean to steer, and the bike balances itself without the need for a kickstand. Instead of wearing a heavy helmet, you'll don smart glasses that connect you to your bike and the road. These glasses display important info like speed, direction, and potential hazards, improving your awareness as you ride. Plus, you can adjust settings like sound and riding modes directly through your eyewear. Brave Raideen, an anime that started in the 1970s, has left a huge impact on fans and the mecha genre. It follows Hibiki Ko, a regular high schooler who's given the power to transform into Raideen, a mighty robot warrior, through a device called the Sparker. Raideen's mission? Defend Earth from an onslaught of demonic forces, adding a mystical twist to its action-packed storyline. The show doesn't just focus on epic robot fights. It also dives into a noble journey where Hibiki and his team go above and beyond to protect the planet. Brave Raideen brought something new and exciting to anime and set a standard for many mecha series that followed. Even today, Brave Raideen inspires fans to create masterpieces of their own. Fans are building anime-themed projects like custom motorcycles, artwork, and more, each honoring the show's iconic look and thrilling energy. These tributes reflect how much Raideen still connects with people, celebrating a classic story of heroism, teamwork, and the timeless appeal of battling robots with a purpose. Introducing the Double Round Skate, a game-changer in the world of electric skateboards. This innovative board features 2 wheels on each side that are controlled independently, giving you a unique and exciting riding experience. Imagine a skateboard that lets you make sharper turns and move more dynamically. This is it. While it might take a little time to get used to, once you master it, you'll be zooming down sidewalks and weaving through crowds with ease. The Double Round Skate offers impressive control and stability, making it perfect for riders who want to experience skateboarding in a whole new way. Introducing the GoBoat 2.0 Stealth, the ultimate inflatable boat designed for those who love adventure but also value portability and easy storage. This compact boat is quick to assemble, making it perfect for spontaneous trips to the water. With a 5-speed motor and a stylish camouflage pattern, it effortlessly blends in with nature as you cruise at a smooth 5 miles per hour. What's great about the GoBoat 2.0 Stealth is its variety of accessories. You can customize your boat with rod holders, fish finders, cup holders, and more, making every outing enjoyable. Its unique spherical shape and armor-light composite construction ensure amazing stability and long-lasting durability. Whether you're fishing, duck hunting, or just looking for some quiet time on the lake, the GoBoat 2.0 Stealth is your perfect partner for any water activity. It's designed to handle all your adventures with ease. And the best part? You can grab this fantastic boat for just $1,599. Introducing the Hyar Smart Boat, a game-changing watercraft that can quickly switch between being a kayak, solar boat, rowing boat, or sailing boat, all in just minutes. This innovative boat is made from sturdy yet lightweight materials, allowing it to fold into a compact backpack for easy storage and transport. Its sleek design not only looks great, but also provides excellent stability and speed on the water, perfect for adventure lovers and those who care about the environment. The Hyar Smart Boat is versatile enough to meet your needs, whether you want to paddle, sail, or use solar power for your travels. Currently, you can grab this cutting-edge boat on Indiegogo for only $699, which is a fantastic 30% off the regular price of $999. Don't miss out on this unique chance to own the first smart boat ever created. The Hyar Smart Boat represents the future of boating, making it an exciting choice for anyone who enjoys exploring nature and being on the water. Introducing the Half-Bike 2, a fun and unique way to get around. This innovative ride challenges your balance, coordination, and reflexes, all while giving you a full body workout. Instead of steering with handlebars, you lean your body to guide the bike, allowing you to feel every bump, curve, and slope in the road. It's all about connecting with the machine. The Half-Bike 2 is designed to be sleek and stylish. It features a lightweight aluminum frame, a 3-speed internal gear hub, and a single brake. Plus, it folds up in seconds, making it super easy to store in any trunk, closet, or even an elevator. You can take it on buses, trains, or planes, making it perfect for exploring new places and meeting new people. This bike is more than just a mode of transportation. It's a lifestyle for those who are curious and adventurous. It's for anyone who wants to break free from their daily routine and try something new. If you're ready to embrace a playful and exciting way of life, the Half-Bike 2 is for you. Honda's Riding Assist is an exciting new technology designed to make motorcycle riding safer and easier for everyone. This smart system uses robotics and artificial intelligence to help keep the motorcycle balanced, even at low speeds or when stopped. This means riders don't have to worry about tipping over or losing their balance while navigating through slow traffic or when coming to a stop. The secret behind this technology lies in a specially designed front fork and a computer-controlled steering mechanism that work together to adjust the bike's balance and keep it upright. This innovative approach not only improves the overall riding experience, but also has the potential to reduce the number of motorcycle accidents significantly. With Honda's Riding Assist, riders can enjoy a safer, more comfortable journey. The Honda Zoomer may look like a basic scooter at first, but in Japan, it's a favorite for custom upgrades. Many custom shops and enthusiasts take these scooters and turn them into something unique and stylish. They often extend the wheelbase, add cool aerodynamic panels, and even lower the ground clearance to give the Zoomer a more eye-catching, sporty look. The customization trend has caught on so much that manufacturers now offer special tuning kits to help make these changes easier. This scooter isn't just popular with young people, it's also a hit with older riders who love the look and feel of a tricked-out Zoomer. In Japan, some models even come with impressive features like 260mm suspension travel and 12-inch disc brakes, making it easy to add Michelin tires and enhance its performance. With a stylish French mint color and these customization options, the Zoomer stands out as more than just a scooter. It's a statement on wheels that blends practicality with style. Big news for fans of shared e-scooters in Paris. As of September 1st, the city has banned them. With around 400,000 rides logged last year, Parisians are now searching for new ways to get around. It will be interesting to see if other cities follow this trend. If you're looking for an exciting alternative, check out the InMotion V14 Adventure electric unicycle. Currently available for pre-order at $540, it might feel a bit steep, but this unicycle packs a punch with amazing features. It's designed for off-road adventures, so you can take it on trails as well as city streets. Plus, it can travel up to 120 kilometers on a single charge, making it perfect for longer rides. The V14 also has dual suspension for a comfortable experience, and its powerful engine can reach speeds of up to 110 kilometers per hour when the wheel spins freely. With its impressive capabilities, the InMotion V14 Adventure could be a fun way to explore and commute. Meet the Kaboo Wolf Warrior, an electric scooter that looks more like a tough cross-country motorcycle than your average city ride. Designed by the Chinese company Kaboo, the Wolf Warrior 11 is not your typical quiet urban vehicle. It's made for adventure, whether you want to ride off-road or hit the freeway. This scooter has two driving modes, Turbo and Eco. In Turbo mode, its 28-centimeter wheels easily handle rocky forest trails thanks to its high ground clearance, improved suspension, and strong shock absorbers. You'll hardly feel any bumps or obstacles along the way. Safety is a big deal with the Wolf Warrior. It features a disc braking system that lets you stop smoothly, even when you're zooming at speeds up to 80 kilometers per hour. Powered by two 1,200-watt engines, this scooter can keep up with cars on the highway. In the city, you can switch to Eco mode for a more efficient ride. With a full charge, the Wolf Warrior can go about 150 kilometers. Back to the Future may soon be part of our daily lives. A South Korean team at KERI, Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute, has designed a prototype that could bring these futuristic rides to reality. Their hoverboard is electric-powered and works a bit like a mini hovercraft, floating just above the ground. One exciting use for this hoverboard could be last-mile deliveries, the final, often tricky leg of a trip, like from a bus stop to your home. Imagine your package gliding up to your door, or even riding one of these for short trips around town. Though there's not much detail yet on exactly how it works or how much it might cost, the possibilities are pretty thrilling. With such projects in the works, we're closer than ever to having our own hoverboards for real. Fans are eagerly awaiting more updates on this project, excited to see if a piece of sci-fi fantasy might actually hit the streets soon, making everyday commutes a lot more futuristic. Meet the Pony 4, a fantastic vehicle that combines the fun of biking with the safety and comfort of a car. This innovative ride can transport anything you need, from kids and pets to groceries, making every trip a pleasure. With a spacious cargo area, a comfy ergonomic seat, and a fully suspended frame, the Pony 4 ensures a smooth and enjoyable journey. What's really cool is that you can customize your Pony Y4 to fit your needs. Choose from 2 different lengths, gear systems, and motor options to create the perfect ride for you. Plus, it's environmentally friendly, producing fewer emissions than a regular car, which is a win for our planet. Whether you're navigating busy city streets, heading out for a weekend adventure, or just running errands, the Pony 4 is the ideal solution for all your transportation needs. And with a starting price of $4,999, it offers great value for such a versatile vehicle. Why struggle with balancing on a scooter, pedaling a bike, or always waiting for an Uber? There's a new ride in the US that's capturing attention: the VUC Trike. This three-wheeled electric vehicle is stylish, super functional, and even includes drift tires for a little extra fun. The VUC Trike has already surpassed its funding goal by an impressive 223%, proving that people are excited about its features. It reaches speeds of up to 64 kilometers per hour, which is perfect for zipping around town, and those drift tires mean you can add some thrill to your ride if you're in the mood. With a single charge, the VUC can go up to 177 kilometers, making it ideal for both short trips and longer adventures without frequent stops to recharge. For $1,500, this unique ride offers an awesome alternative to traditional transport. It's fun, eye-catching, and packed with features that make it way more than just a standard trike. The Yike Bike is revolutionizing electric scooters with its unique design. Imagine a blend of a motorcycle and a tiny car. This scooter features an enclosed cabin that keeps you safe from the elements while still giving you an open-air experience. It's perfect for quick trips and running errands around town. Unlike standard scooters, the Yike Bike's enclosed cabin protects you from rain, wind, and dust, making it a great choice for year-round riding. Picture yourself cruising through the streets, comfortably shielded from the weather, while enjoying the freedom of a two-wheeled vehicle. This innovative scooter is not just about style. It's a practical solution for modern transportation. The Yike Bike combines comfort and convenience, making it an exciting alternative to traditional vehicles. Whether you're commuting to work or just exploring the city, this electric scooter offers a fun way to get around without the hassles of traffic or parking.